Have you ever wondered how to build a successful career in graphic design? A career in graphic design is more than just creating visually appealing content. It's about effectively communicating ideas and messages, and for that, two vital components are portfolio development and freelancing. In this video, we'll delve into the importance of these aspects and how they can be the stepping stones to your success. We'll discuss how to create a compelling portfolio that showcases your creativity and expertise, and how to navigate the world of freelancing, a path that offers flexibility and diverse opportunities. We'll also touch on strategies to promote yourself and network effectively, and share tips for managing your freelance career. Remember, a successful design career is a blend of creativity, technical skills, and business savvy. So stay tuned as we explore the steps to build a compelling portfolio and navigate the world of freelancing in graphic design. A design portfolio is your visual resume, your spotlight in the world of graphic design. It's a curated collection of your best work, demonstrating not only your skills, but also your creativity and expertise. The first step to building a compelling portfolio is defining your target audience. Who are the clients or industries you're aiming to work with? Tailor your portfolio to appeal to them. If you're targeting tech startups, for example, you might want to showcase your ability to create sleek, modern designs with a tech-savvy edge. Next, it's time to select your best work. Choose projects that display your versatility and expertise as a graphic designer. This could be anything from logo designs to full brand identity projects, from print media designs to digital assets. The key is to show a variety of design styles, mediums, and formats. Once you've selected your work, it's time to organize and curate. Arrange your portfolio in a logical and visually appealing manner. Consider the flow, balance, and cohesion of your work. Think of your portfolio as a visual story. Each piece should connect to the next in some way, creating a narrative of your growth and evolution as a designer. Presenting your work effectively is just as important. Utilize high-quality images, clear descriptions, and relevant context. Show the design process, including sketches and mock-ups, to give potential clients insight into your creative thinking. This adds depth to your portfolio and helps clients understand the value you can bring to their projects. Finally, consider leveraging online platforms to showcase your portfolio. Websites, Behance, Dribbble, and social media are all excellent ways to make your work easily accessible and shareable. Plus, they provide opportunities for feedback and engagement with other designers and potential clients. Remember, your portfolio is your ticket to the world of opportunities in graphic design. It's more than just a collection of your work. It's a reflection of you as a designer, so take the time to build it thoughtfully and intentionally. You never know who might be looking. In a competitive field like graphic design, self-promotion and networking can make all the difference. Let's start with self-promotion. It's not about boasting or bragging. It's about showcasing your talent and expertise to the world. It's about letting potential clients know that you're here, you're capable, and you're ready to bring their visions to life. One powerful tool for this is an online presence. A professional website can serve as a central hub for your portfolio, your services, and your contact information. Social media platforms can also be a great way to share your work, engage with the design community, and participate in relevant discussions. Remember, it's not just about posting your work and waiting for the likes to roll in. Engage, comment, share, and be an active participant in the community. Now, let's move on to networking. This is about making connections, forging relationships, and opening doors for potential opportunities. Industry events and conferences are great places to network. You can meet fellow designers, potential clients, and industry experts. Participating in workshops, panel discussions, and design competitions can also help you expand your professional network. Finally, collaborations and partnerships. These can be a great way to gain exposure and expand your portfolio. Working with other creatives or agencies on joint projects can give you the opportunity to learn from others, challenge yourself, and create work that you might not have been able to on your own. Remember, self-promotion and networking are not one-time tasks. They require consistent effort and engagement. So, update your website regularly, be active on social media, attend events and conferences, seek collaborations, and keep building those relationships. In the world of graphic design, your talent and skills are important, but it's often your ability to promote yourself and network effectively that can truly set you apart. So, get out there, make connections, and let the world see your creative genius. Freelancing can be a rewarding career path, but it requires effective management and client communication. So let's dive into some tips and best practices for successful freelancing in graphic design. First off, setting rates and contracts. This can seem daunting initially, but it's essential. To determine your pricing structure, consider your experience, the complexity of the project, and the current market rates. It's about finding that sweet spot where you value your work appropriately and also remain competitive. Once you've got your rates, it's time to create a contract. This should be clear and comprehensive, outlining the project scope, deliverables, timelines, and payment terms. Contracts not only protect you and your work, but they also set clear expectations for your clients. Next, let's talk about client communication. This is the cornerstone of successful freelancing. From the get-go, establish open and transparent communication. Clarify project requirements, provide regular updates, and manage expectations to ensure a smooth workflow. Remember, you're not just providing a service, you're building a relationship. So keep your clients in the loop and make them feel valued. Lastly, time management and organization. These are your secret weapons in the world of freelancing. Develop effective time management skills to meet deadlines and balance multiple projects. This isn't just about working hard, it's about working smart. Use project management tools and calendars to stay organized. This will help you maintain productivity, avoid burnout, and ensure you're always on top of your game. Freelancing in graphic design can be a thrilling ride. It gives you the flexibility to work on diverse projects and the freedom to shape your career. But remember, it also requires discipline, professionalism, and a proactive approach. With these tips, you are well on your way to mastering the art of freelancing in graphic design. In the ever-evolving field of graphic design, continuous learning and skill development are paramount. Imagine the realm of graphic design as a vast, vibrant landscape that's always in flux, always shifting and growing. As designers, we're explorers of this landscape, charting its contours, discovering new vistas, and constantly expanding our understanding of what's possible. Staying current with the latest trends is like keeping an eye on the horizon. It's about more than just knowing what's in or out. It's about understanding the ever-changing zeitgeist, the shifting moods and tastes of society. It's about drawing inspiration from the world around us and translating that into our work. But it's not just about trends. The tools of our trade are also evolving at a blistering pace. Remember when Adobe Illustrator was the only game in town? Today, there's a whole universe of software and digital tools at our disposal, from Sketch and Figma to Procreate and beyond. Mastering these tools, understanding their strengths and limitations, and knowing which one to use for which task. These are all essential skills for the modern graphic designer. And then there's the craft itself, the fundamental skills and techniques that form the bedrock of our profession. Whether it's mastering the use of color and typography, understanding the principles of composition and layout, or delving into the intricacies of branding and visual storytelling, there's always room to grow and improve. But let's not forget about soft skills, communication, collaboration, time management. These are all crucial for navigating the professional world, for working effectively with clients and colleagues, and for managing our own workflows and projects. So how do we keep up with all this? By cultivating a mindset of lifelong learning, by seeking out new challenges and stepping out of our comfort zones, by staying curious, staying open, and never being satisfied with good enough. Remember, in the world of graphic design, There's always something new to learn, a skill to develop, a design to create. So, we've covered a lot today about building a successful career in graphic design. We've explored the importance of developing a strong and versatile portfolio as a showcase of your skills, creativity, and expertise. We've delved into the world of self-promotion and networking, highlighting the significance of an online presence, industry events, and collaborations in gaining exposure and attracting clients. We've also navigated the ins and outs of freelancing, offering tips on setting rates, client communication, and time management. Finally, we emphasized the ongoing journey of learning and skill development, a critical aspect of staying relevant and competitive in this dynamic field. To sum up, a successful graphic design career requires a blend of creativity, strategic self-promotion, effective freelancing practices, and continuous learning. With these insights, you're now equipped to chart your own course in the exciting world of graphic design. Until next time, keep creating.